Hi everyone, welcome to STEMophile. I'm Imran Shah and today we are starting the second chapter of our C programming series. In the first chapter, we covered the foundations, introducing the C language, understanding algorithms, compiling, and setting up the development environment. Now, we are ready to write our very first program, the famous Hello World program. Let's get started. Open VS Code. As you can see, we have these two files we created in chapter 1. Let's delete them and start fresh. To write our first program, click on the new file icon, name the file hello.c, open the file. Now let's write our program. Hash include stdio.h, int main, round brackets, return 0, semicolon. Copy this code from the pinned comment and paste it here. At this point, you don't need to worry about understanding every part of the code. We haven't covered functions yet, so you might not understand this code right now. Just think of this as the default code we need. One quick tip, increase the font size by pressing Ctrl and scrolling the mouse wheel. The default size is small and that's not good for your eyes. We need to write this code in every C program. Without it, our code won't run. Let me explain briefly. Here, we include a header file. And this is our main function. It is the starting point of every C program. All the code we write will go inside these curly braces of main function, right after the opening curly bracket and before the return 0 line. Now, inside the main function, let's write the code to print hello world on the screen. For that, we use the printf function. Let's write the printf function, printf, open round bracket, double quotes, hello world, close round bracket, and semicolon. This function prints anything we write inside its double quotes. C language provides us with this function to print text. There are many other functions that C offers for various types of tasks. Remember, this function doesn't print on a piece of paper, but on your computer screen. Here, printing means writing something on the screen. Don't worry about the term function right now. We'll dive into that in the future videos. For now, just focus on this line of code. Copy rest of the default code from the pinned comment in the comments section. Let's save our code and compile it. Open the terminal. Type gcc hello.c. Once compiled, type /a.exe. And there we go. Our printf function worked and printed hello world on the screen. If you faced an error, double check for typos or missing semicolons. Compile and run it again. It should work fine. Now, let's change the text inside printf to something like Welcome to STEMophile. Save, compile, and run it. This time, it prints Welcome to STEMophile. If we want to print both Hello World and Welcome to STEMophile, we can use two printf functions. The first will print Hello World and the second will print Welcome to STEMophile. You can write as many printf functions as you like. Alternatively, we can combine both messages into a single printf. Now, let's print both messages on separate lines. When we write in WordPad, we simply press Enter to change the line. But in programming, that won't work. We have to specifically tell the program that we want the second text on the next line. To print on different lines, we use the Newline Character \n. It works like pressing Enter in WordPad. Save, compile, and run. The text is now printed on two separate lines. The \n is not printed as text because the compiler reads it as an instruction to change the line. When the program reads text, it prints it in a single line. When it reads a new line character, it jumps to the next line and then prints the rest of the text. You can even use multiple new line characters to add extra spacing. If there are two new line characters, it moves down two lines. Don't confuse the / with the /. Both are different. We use the / for new line character. Alternatively, you can write the same program as printf hello world, printf \n welcome to STEMophile. In this case, the second printf contains a new line character, so the text is printed on two separate lines. This shows that there are different ways to achieve the same result in programming. Remember, don't worry about these things for now. I'll explain them at the right time. If I tell you too much too soon, you might feel overwhelmed because we haven't covered the basics yet. Some teachers try to cover everything on the first day, but this can lead to confusion. Students might feel like they are not cut out for programming, when in fact, they just need to learn the basics first. These concepts rely on future topics, which we will cover later. For now, simply copy and paste the code as instructed, and focus on what I am teaching you. Let's see what happens if we make a couple of mistakes. First, if I remove this semicolon after, the code will generate an error and won't work. The semicolon is crucial because it marks the end of a statement in programming. Next, if I change printf, the code will also produce an error. This is because C language is case sensitive. Printf with a lowercase p and printf with an uppercase p are considered different. Even a small typing mistake can prevent your code from working correctly. Remember, every detail counts in programming. Your task: write a simple C program that prints the following lines using printf. Make sure each message appears on a new line. Post 2 comments. In the first comment, write the program with only one printf function. In the second comment, write the program with 3 separate printf functions. Post your code in the comments below once you've completed the task. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Feel free to leave your questions in the comments and share this video if you found it helpful. See you next time and happy coding!